Welcome to this Cadline video showing you how to add and edit buildings within DynamicAIM. From the left hand panel, if we choose the Northampton site, this will open the Northampton site details where we can choose the Buildings tab to view a list of buildings. Using the Edit button will open up the building details where we can change the name of the building record and its description. Having made the changes, if we press the Save button, the changes to the building details will be committed. Let's now choose the Map tab, and from the top toolbar, if we choose the Drawing tool button, the Drawings panel opens. There are tools to move existing buildings, but we'll use the Draw Polygon tool to digitize a new outline of the existing building. Left clicking to change direction, and once completed, choose the Save button to commit the update to our building. And if we refresh the map, we can see the building record has a new polygon outline. Back in the Buildings tab, choose the Add tab to now create a new building record, entering the building name, a building description, and coordinates for the new building, entering the longitude and latitude. If we save the record, this will update the geometry of our building record and commit it to the system. Back in the map window, we can see a new building point has been added to the map at the specified coordinates. Again, let's use the drawing tools to update the building. We're going to use the Draw Polygon tool again. Left click around the outside of our new building, and once created, press the Save button to save the changes. If we now choose the map option again, we can see there are two building polygons, and on the left hand side we now have two new building records.